In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the check device power message on a Samsung TV HDMI input. First, make sure the connected device like a console, cable box, or streaming device is fully powered on and not in standby mode. Next, unplug the HDMI cable from both the TV and the device. Then, wait a few seconds, then plug it back in securely. After that, restart both your TV and the external device to refresh the connection. If the message still appears, try using different HDMI port or a different HDMI cable to rule out the cable or port issue. You can also check the device display settings to ensure it's set to output video correctly. So that's it.